Hello and welcome to Sam's Easy Piano. It's been a short while since I've done my last video. Now I'm going to go in some depth and detail into a piano tutorial on Billie Eilish Future. And we're going to be looking at the right hand and left hand separately, looking at all the positions and the finger patterns. I really like this one because it's got quite a slow, mellow feel with some interesting chords in there. So I'm really excited to go through those with you. So towards the end of the video, I'm going to put hands together and go through it really slowly so you can get all the changes. Now, this video, I would say, is aimed at more of the intermediate to advanced player because there are some large stretches, particularly within the left hand, where you have to do these big broken chords that require arpeggio technique. And if you're not sure how to do those, I will be explaining that in some further videos later on down the line. And if you have any questions on to how to approach this type of piano technique, you can always send me an email in the description box below to my email address, where I will be sure to get back to you, as I will be offering one-to-one tuition via Skype and Zoom to further explain anything that you might not understand. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe right here and give it a thumbs up for more content coming really soon. Let's get into the right hand and left hand. So we're going to start off with the right hand. So we put a finger 4 on a C. And then play a E flat major chord with 1 on E flat, 2 on G and 3 on B flat. Okay, and then play a finger 3 on a B flat. Pass the 1 underneath to the C. Pass your 2 to the D. And 4 on the F. And then back to 3 on B flat. And play C. And then play another E flat major chord. And then we're going to then play the 3 on the B flat, 1 underneath. And now this time we're going to put a 2 on a D flat and then move to 4 on the F. So then play a 3 on an E flat, 2 on D flat, and then jump and play an A flat major chord with 1 on E flat, 2 on A flat, and 4 on C. And stretch your 5 to an E flat. And then play a 3 on an E flat. Repeat that. And then jump with 1 on E flat, 2 on F sharp, and 3 on B. And then stretch your 5 to an E flat. But then after you've then played this, we repeat that section again with some small changes. So we already have our 4 set up on the C. And then we play another E flat major chord. And then we play a 3 on a B flat. And then 2 on F, like you did before. But this time, we're then going to jump straight to 4 on C. To an E flat major chord. Pass you 1 underneath to the C. And then 2 on the D flat again. And then 4 on the F. And then 3 on the E flat. And 2 on the D flat. And then jump again to 1, 2 and 4 on the A flat major chord. And stretch your 5 to E flat. And then jump to a 3 on the E flat, 4 on the F. Jump to 1, 2 and 4 to end off on a B major chord. Now we're going to move to a new chord, which is a G major chord with 1, 2, 3 and 5. And then jump to 2 on F and 4 on the A flat, 3 on the G. To then play a C minor chord with 1, 2 and 3. And then jump to 5 and then back to G and D and then back to 5 and then jump back to 1 on 2 with G and C. And then we're going to move to a new chord with our 2 on C and then 3 on D and then an A flat major chord. Then hold the thumb down and then play the 3 on D and then 2 on C and then play a 3 on a D. And now we're moving to a new chord, 1 on F, 2 on A flat, 3 on B and 5 on E flat. And then repeat the B and back to E flat. And let's jump to the next chord with 1 on F, 2 on G, 3 on B flat and 5 on D. And then play C, B, C, D. And repeat the D. And then play something called a diminished chord with a G, B flat and a D flat. Then play a 3 on an E flat, 4 on the F, and then play a 1 on B flat, 3 on E flat, and 5 on G. And then play a 3 on an E flat, and repeat that. 4 on F, and then stretch with 1 on F sharp, 2 on B, 3 on E flat, and 5 on F sharp. And then play the 3 on the E flat, 4 on the F, back to 3. And then let's jump to a new chord with 1 on F, 2 on G, 3 on B flat, and 5 on D. And then play 4, 3, 4, 5. And play G, B flat, and D flat. And then jump to 2 on E flat, 3 on F, and 4 on G, and 5 on A flat. And then play a C minor chord with 1, 2, and 4. And then switch to 3 on E flat and alternate between those two notes. 4 on the F, and then big stretch that we did before with 1 on F sharp, 2 on B, 3 on E flat, and 5 on the F sharp above. And then jump to 4 on the F, 3 on the E flat, back to 4, and then back to 3 on E flat. And that's the right hand. So now we're going to look at the left hand, and the first thing we're going to do is play an E flat major 7th chord. So that's 5 on E flat, 3 on G, 2 on B flat, and 1 on D. And then we move to something called an E flat dominant 7th, which means move the 1 to the D flat, whilst keeping the other keys the same. Now we're going to do something called a broken chord, putting the 5 on the lower A flat, stretch your 3 to E flat, 1 on G, 3 on the A flat, 1 on the C, 3 on the E flat, and stretch your 2 to the A flat. This is kind of similar to a arpeggio, so if you don't know what they are, I would definitely get used to playing those to give you a smooth understanding of how that's supposed to be played. And then we're going to go to a new chord, back to 5 on A flat, stretch your 3 to E flat, 2 on F sharp, 1 on B, put your 3 over, and then 2 on F sharp, and 1 on B. And then we go back to E flat major 7, followed by the E flat dominant 7th. And then we repeat the other 2 broken chords. And then play the last chord, but this time not playing the top B. And just finish on the F sharp. Now we're going to play something called a G dominant 7th. With 5, 3, 2, and 1. 5 on G, 3 on B, 2 on D, and 1 on F. A C minor 3rd with 1 and 3. And then a B flat major 3rd with 4 and 2. And then we're going to jump down again for another broken chord. We're starting with 5 on the A, stretch a 2 to the F, 1 on the A, and 3 over on the C, and 1 on the F. And then followed by another broken chord with 5 on A flat, 2 on E flat, 1 on the A flat, pass your 3 over to the B flat, and 1 on the C. With 5 on A flat, 3 on the E flat, 1 on the F, 3 on the A flat, 1 on the B, and then 3 over on the E flat. And now we jump down to a really low E flat with 5 on E flat, 3 on B flat, 1 on D, 3 on E flat, 1 on G, 3 on B flat, 1 on D, and 3 on the E flat. And then followed by another one starting on the lower E flat again. 5 on the E flat, 3 on the B flat, 2 on the D flat, 1 on the G, pass your 3 over. These are large stretches, okay, so you'd need to practice these. 3 on the B flat, 2 on the D flat, and 1 on the G. And then jump back down to an A flat and follow the finger pattern as I'm going along, using the 3s and the 2s. And then jumping back to an A flat again, again following the 3s and 2s. It's kind of like a B major arpeggio, so do have a look at that. It's very similar to what I've just done there. Repeat these again with 5, 2, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. And then jump back down again for more repeated broken chords. 5, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then go to A flat again. 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 2. And then jump back down again with 5, 3, 2, 1, Now, if you follow these finger patterns, it will become easy to do. So you'll want to learn how to do arpeggios effectively. So I will be putting up a video soon on arpeggio practice, how that's going to help you to get a left hand that can really progress smoothly through stretches. So do stay tuned for that. That will be coming up soon. So that's the end of today's tutorial. When learning how to play this song, start off with the right hand and the left hand going through the different positions as I've outlined in part 1. And then moving into part 2, put the right hand and the left hand together, slowing down the video, and then speed it back up and play at the speed that I've been playing it at. Now there are so many little extra things that you might notice in my performance which I haven't covered during this video. So if you have any of those questions, do leave them in the comment box below, or alternatively you can send me an email in the description box and I will get back to you with a response. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and a subscribe for more videos coming soon, where I'll be covering many other different topics related to the piano, including scales practice, arpeggios, different songs, and much more. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.